How to secure your Snapchat account. Before we get started, make sure that your Snapchat has been updated to the latest version. Now open your Snapchat on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Simply click on the gear button at the top right corner of your profile section, and this page will disclose a list of private information that you must not disclose to the outer world. Click on the two-factor authentication. Make sure that you set this up. Tap on Continue. Now you can select either the SMS or the authentication app option. There are multiple ways of securing your Snapchat account. You can use backup codes or authentication app to secure your Snapchat account. And that's it. This is how you can secure your Snapchat account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.